This is my favorite system. The front line, also invisible, right? Let's see the base. This is Swiss lace. It is very thin and transparent. And also because this is lace, so it's very breathable. And it is strong than skin system, strong and breathable. Is this lace? Yeah, this is lace base, Swiss lace, the best lace in the world. I can assure you this one is the best lace because it is thin, super thin and transparent, very transparent. This is my favorite. Thank you. I have sold out hundreds Swiss lace every month. There is no complaint because the quality is super good. And this is the best choice. I think this one is the best choice because it is very durable, breathing, and reliable. Thank you, but I cannot. Do you like this one? You can see. The notes inside. If this is your first time to the system, I suggest Swiss lace or super thin skin. The benefit of Swiss lace is it is invisible and breathable, also durable because it's very good durable. The benefit for super thin skin is because it is very thin and soft. But this one is more durable. So you can choose the right one for you. And this one is also India hair. You can see the hair quality is good. Even though the cost is less than European hair, but the quality is also very good. You can see the hair, very good, right? Do you like this one? This is Swiss lace. Skin has last me years very it's very skin this one is more durable than skin, believe me. But also you can see the nose inside very invisible. We have skin system, lace system, and skin lace mask system for choosing. It all depends for you because everyone has their favorite one. For me, I think Swiss lace is the best one. But also for other people, they like skin because skin is more comfortable and very soft. Okay, thank you for watching. Any other system you want to see, I can show you. Also, we have all kinds of colors, wigs. Still this one, very good. Okay, thank you for watching. Now we will finish our today's show. Thank you. Bye bye everyone. Thank you